Our journey begins with the finest ingredients, carefully measured and blended in our powerful mixer to create a soft, smooth, and perfectly textured pizza dough every single time. The fresh dough is precisely cut and rounded into uniform portions, ensuring every pizza base is consistent in size, shape, and quality, ready for the next step. Each dough ball is gently proofed under the perfect conditions, allowing it to rise naturally for that soft, airy texture that pizza lovers can't resist. After proofing, each dough ball moves into our precision dough sheeter, where it's gently rolled to the perfect thickness. This step ensures an even crust that bakes beautifully light, airy, and ready to carry all your favorite toppings without losing its shape. Fresh vegetables are washed, sliced, and prepared with precision, adding vibrant color, texture. Golden, bubbling, and mouth-watering, straight from our high-speed oven. Produce 250 to 300 pizzas every hour, perfect for small factories, powered by our 75-kilogram dough mixer.